Hi guys, I am going to explain you how to use SUMIF and SUMIF functions in Excel. So we have here the list of expenses for the January till December. So there is a type of expenses: home expenses, insurance expenses, food expenses, and transportation expenses, and healthcare and other necessities. So home expenses may be rent or utility costs. The insurance expenses may be the property insurance and health insurance. Food expenses are at home, or you can have a meal in outside. So it's all included. Transportation, maybe the full expenses or ticket expense, all that stuff. So this is from January till December. So if we want to get a simple summary table, we can use a function SUMIF and SUMIFs. Usually they are in separate Excel sheets. So for purpose of explanation, I am going to use only this sheet, and we can just cut and paste the summary sheet for summary table for the other sheet. So let's write a formula. So we need home expenses in US dollars for entire year. So we're going to use the SUMIF function. So range we are going to look from the months, from the expense type. You can select the C column, or I will show you another type from C column. So criteria is a home expenses. So some range will be amount in dollars. So we can write like this and enter. We can copy paste as a formulas for the entire table. So in these cases it works perfectly because you selected column. So when we're going to write in euros, I will show you in other way. SUMIF. So range, you can select range from here till December, but in this case you are selecting not entire C column, but you are selecting from C2 to C73. But we are going to fix that column, because when we copy and paste for other cells, it will move. So references, home expenses. So what I mean, if you not fix that cells, it will move. Just let's not fix this column. So just close that one. If you're going to copy and paste these columns, if you are going to see this one is moved, see the column A, it's moved. So it's not in some cases it's not proper. It will not bring all the amount in euros, or just it will not sum the every amount. So let's fix this one, or not only for one cell. It's better to fix two cells. So it's fixed. So copy paste as a formula. So in this case it works perfectly. You can write, as I said, you can select entire cell if you are sure it's not other things are in that columns, or you can select from the table. That's only SUMIF function. SUMIF function, we need only one condition. So let's write the formulas. If it is some ifs, we not have only one condition. We have expense type, we have month. Let's write here SUMIF function. SUMIF, there is two conditions to write this formula. Sum range is amount in dollars. Criteria range is a month. So criteria is we have month, and criteria range 2 is expenses. Expense type is we are going to have in G10, cell G10. So that's it. Amount in euro, sum ifs is again sum range going to be column E. So criteria range going to be column B, criteria going to be E10, cell E10, criteria range going to be column C, criteria 2 will be G10. So that's it. That's good. If you want to, let's say, generate transportation expenses like here. Oh, not to, let's say February insurance expense. Let's say insurance expenses. Just copy and paste the value or select from cell. So let's check February insurance. $350 and 295 euros, so it works perfectly. So that's our summary sheet. Usually we have list to one sheet and summary in the other sheet. Let's rename it summary sheet and bring all the summary sheet here. For sake of explanation, I wrote all here. You just control cut and bring here. That's it, and select all, open up the cells which is not visible. So that's it. That's a summary sheet. So here we have list, here we have summary sheet. Thanks for watching. Comment or leave your comments. If something is not understandable, I try to explain. See you in next video. Thank you for watching.